All right, so again, this is week 3, day 2. And I just wanted to go over the front page. You do not have to watch the math. If you do not watch it, just put an X there. If you do watch it, you can check it off. I don't really care. It's just to see how you're doing. You have a choice today. You can do your threes, which are on the front, or you can work on your mixed facts, which will be on the back. I have the threes video from last week that I posted, so if you need from week 1, so if you want to use that one, you can, or you can follow along on the mixed fact page. For the mixed facts, I'm just going to go through. I'm going to use a timer, and I'm going to see how I do for this one. So, my clock and my timer. And again, I do want to be able to read my writing. So my goal isn't to go super fast. My goal is to go fast enough where I can read the work. Okay. All right, so I'm going to write my time down. I did it in 1 minute and 42 seconds. It was actually faster than that, but I did not hit the timer. Forgot to. So the other thing I wanted to show you is in the home packet that you guys had that went home, you have your page. And I just wanted to point this out because it does look different, so I didn't want you to miss it. But in your home packet for these days, I did both sheets. So I did a copy of the threes, and then I also did a copy it's a little bit smaller. So when you're checking your work, make sure you can go down or however, but just make sure when you're checking your work that you check with the right one, obviously, otherwise you'd get them all wrong. So just make sure you take your time on that. I'm checking my work right now as I go, and it looks as though I got them all correct, which is the point of not going so fast, because there was 2 that I had to erase writing down the first wrong number. So I'd write plus 50 out of 50. So I got 100%. I'd open my page to the front sheet and check off that I did do my mixed facts. I did watch the video, technically because I shot it, and I got 100%. So you guys should be able to do that on your own. That way. Now, if somebody said they were doing the top and the bottom, you could see if you can try to beat your time on top, on bottom. I'm pretty much consistent. I don't try to go too fast because it doesn't really make that big of a difference if I'm looking at within a minute to 2 minutes. If you're at 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, I would definitely work on this to increase my time. But that is something we'll continue to practice.